The sun's surface, plasma churning like waves. A cute cloud-like orange glow. Sparky pops into existence with a bubble effect. She blinks her eyes, looking around curiously. Meanwhile, a brighter, sharper flare appears.
Where am I? Where is this place?
Welcome, you on our home, the sun.
Who are you? And what are those tiny twinkling lights up there?
I'm Flare, those lights the stars. But the most special one is the blue planet,月.
It looks beautiful. I want to go and see.
Go ahead, but remember, our journeys can have some special effects on that.
And so, filled with curiosity, a coronal mass ejection named Sparky pushed away from the sun and set off on a journey towards Earth. Sparky flies through the stars. International Space Station ISS appears. Through the window, we see astronaut Anna.
Mission Control, this is Anna. I'm observing solar activity, indicating an incoming minor geomagnetic storm. As a precaution, I recommend postponing tomorrow's scheduled spacewalk.
You see, because of Sparky's approach, astronaut Anna changed her plans. This is one effect of space weather, protecting astronauts from increased radiation in space. Sparky hears the transmission. Her face shows surprise and confusion.
Radiation. Did I stop that astronaut from going outside? I didn't hit it too.
The scene quickly cuts to a power grid control room. Engineer Ben watches, fluctuating lines on a screen.
Heads up, monitoring strong geomagnetic disturbances. Grid experiencing irregular currents. Initiate level 1 protection protocols. Stabilize system voltage.
Sparky's energy shook Earth's magnetic field. Even the vast power grids deep underground felt the pressure. Luckily, engineers like Ben are always prepared. Sparky gets closer to Earth, sees the busy control room. Her expression turns to worry. Sparky reaches Earth's atmosphere. But as Sparky's particles meet Earth's air, they made the most beautiful lights on Earth. The aurora.
I created something so beautiful, but it seems to bother everyone. Am I a good kid or a troublemaker?
Sparky, you are neither a good kid nor a troublemaker. You, like the sun's activity, are a natural part of our universe. Your arrival brings beautiful auroras, but it also challenges our technology-dependent world. The important thing is, smart people on Earth are always learning how to better understand you, predict you, and live in harmony with the space weather you bring.
So that's easy. I didn't need any harm, and the people on Earth are so capable.
Look, what beautiful space weather.
Yes, every challenge makes us stronger.
And that's the story of space weather. It connects our distant sun to all our lives. Through science and wisdom, we are learning to live in harmony with this incredible universe.